Hiya, quick one for you today. 2017 Skoda, superb. How to change a cabin filter, nice, quick, easy. Go to your glove box, open your glove box, look in here, there's a little tab that you lift up with your finger, lift that one up, same on the other side, lift that one up. You might have to go through it a couple of times. And you'll see the support arm just there. Just gently pull down, you'll hear it release. And your cabin filter is in here behind this panel. There are 1, 2, 3 little tabs holding it. You'll need to put a little Stanley knife between those and lift them up. I've already done them to make it easy to film. So you lift those up, just pull your flap back. Take that one out. There's your cabin filter. Just fold them across. Put it out. Slot your new one in. Put your little panel back. It's a lot easier when you're not trying to do it with the phone in your hand. And then push till you hear the little clips engage, and you come up nice and slow. Put this arm up, guide it gently into the little retainer there, and then push back against the clips, and there you go. Piece of cake.